Hello guys, this session is about activity life cycle. So we are going to see the demo for this activity life cycle. So as I said, on create is going to be the first method that's going to execute. So there are some other methods. Let's all going to see this in demo. Well, I don't want this, so I'm making this comment. So comment. Okay, let me change it as on create. Acha. Yeah, now the other method on start, then on resume, on pass, on stop, on restart, and on destroy. So now I'm going to run this up and let's check out the demo for this, and let's practically see that how this things happens. Right click, run as Android application. So my app is getting installed on my emulator, training emulator, installing. So now let me start. So the first method to be executed is on create, then on start, then on resume. Yeah, now my activity is completely running. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a fake call, a fake incoming call. Incoming call, say 12345678890. Call. Oops. My emulator gone offline. On pass. So this is an incoming call. So my app gone on pass state. So when I cancel the call, my app coming back to the thing. On restart, on start. So when I want to destroy this, when I hit the back button, goes to on pass, then on stop, then on destroy. On destroy is the last piece of method that executes on the activity. Yeah, and there are some other things. Whenever I press the back button, I want this thing to be executed. So on back pressed. So in this method, I'll tell that back button pressed. Okay, let me install it. Oops. I think my emulator got crashed off, so I should restart my emulator. So to resize the emulator, I can change it to the default size is 6. So now I'm converting or I'm reframing my emulator size to 6. So let my emulator get started. In the meanwhile, so we'll see some other things. So we'll see something on logging. So login. So why should you need logging? So logging is definitely used for developers to debug the code. So this is we have a lot of log: info log, error log, verbose log. So these logs could be found in a place called logcat. So you can find the logcat here. So the logs, available logs are here: verbose log, debug log, infos log, warning log, error log, asset log. So the log is present in this page. Log is a class name. It should be imported from android.util, not java.util. It is android.util dot infolog dot I. You should use info. So the message is back button pressed. I'll put the message there: user press the back button. So this is a small message. So let my emulator get started. So we can use this logs for the debugging purpose, and also whenever your app get crashed in the Google Play Store, you can make some notification that all the system status or all the stuffs, you can make it here. Yeah. So this is what we call as logging. Yeah. And we'll take a look on some other views. We have a text view, display, and we have the button, and we have the check boxes, radio buttons, and the spinner. Spinner is a drop down item, and progress bar, stars, button, and text views. Here you can get the input from the user. You can use this, is called as edit text. Yeah, and your lot of layouts. The default layout is a relative layout. It shows the relation between the layouts. And the composite, we have list view, expandable list view, grid view, and search view, slide bar, web view. We want to check this out in soon thing. And image view, if you want to keep some image, I'll place an image view here and I'll place this launcher. So yeah, this is going to be a nice looking image view. Okay. So video view to play some videos, and date and time where we can pick some time or date or calendar or something like that. So these are some advanced things, so which could be added in this place. So let us check this out. In the meanwhile, I'm going to create another app for inflation purpose. So what I'm going to do is create Android application. Let's name it as com.training all dot. Oh, I'm going to change my icon. Next, finish. So what I'm going to do is, I don't want this, I'm going to delete this. I'm going to get the input from the user. I'll place it here. Okay, if I want a hint, I'm going to add a hint. Here I'm not going to directly hard code it. I'm going to use the string.xml file. New string. Let me get name hint. Enter name. So what happened? This is a hint. See, this hint will get disappeared whenever user goes for a button click. Okay, So I'm gonna keep a button, and let me keep the ideas, sorry, let me keep the text as okay, and I'm going to inflate these two things. So inflation for different views will be same. Let's resume it back. We'll complete this hello world example. So my app is getting installed. Oh, that's cool. Okay, training all. Okay, see, this is an image view, and now when I press the back button, immediately back button pressed is invoked, and the log. Okay, so this is how I fire the logs, and now I'm going to inflate the second example. It is called as edit text. So button. So edit text inflation is same as like text view. So what I'm going to do is whenever the user clicks the button, I just want to get the text from the edit text. So btn dot set on click listener. So I'm going to create an anonymous class, new on click listener. So to import I can use control plus shift plus O. So I've added the anonymous class. So here string name equal to edit text dot get text dot toString. So I'm going to toast it, toast dot make text get application context welcome. Okay, so this is how it happens, and now I should clear the things, right? So ed dot set text empty. So yep, let's run this. Okay, use the simulator. Installing. Okay, I got the new application right here. See, it creates a new application since it's a new project. So yeah, I got a edit name. Let me put it as straighter. click me, welcome administrator. So I'm gonna put something else. uh, Karthikeyan. So this is how it works dynamically. So Ravi Teja. It keeps on getting updated, whatever the content like. This is how the dynamic applications has been created. Yeah. So whatever you want, you can just get the input from the users and display some notification or something to the users. Okay. So up next is we'll see something called as intent. Intent is something that moves from one page to the other page. Okay, so now let us see a good example for composite. Here I have something called as web view. So I'm going to create an web view application. So I'm going to create a new activity. So new activity means new page. Right click here, new, others, inside Android, click on Android activity. I'm going to give next. Okay, oops, I just press cancel. Okay, I'm going to name it as web activity. Next, finish. So I got a brand new file for activity web. I don't want this text view. I'm going to create a web view. So web view inherits a default library called WebKit. Okay, let's inflate it. So to display a web pages, we can use web view. Okay, I got it. And now I'm going to set some settings. WebView dot get settings dot set JavaScript enabled. I'm gonna make the flag true because many sites use JavaScript. So WebView dot load URL uniform resource locator. I'm going to load say http:// www.google.com. Okay, so I'm going to open this site. Or I can open our company's site, anything you want. So this is a Google site which I'm going to open it here. Okay, to open this only this is enough. Now we should give a permission called internet. So go to permissions and add a permission and click users permission. Under this name, use android.permission.internet. Press save. And another thing is, for run this, I'll get only this main activity. To change it, I'm going to my XM manifest file. So Control X. I'm going to change this as web activity. Yep. So now what happens is my web activity comes in front. Okay. So launching my APKs. So this takes some time as well. Okay, once the installation complete, let's wait for the start activity notification. So I just swapped this thing, so this makes sense that this is going to be the first activity. Yep. So whenever I click, Google page will get open. So let's get ready to see the Google page. So we are not using any browsers actually. This is a default browser. Every mobile Android is installed with a browser called WebKit. So you can find it as a browser application. So if you would like to open any website, you can use this thing. So this loads the website within your application. So since my emulator is little slower, this might take some time. So yeah, now it's loading the Google page. So yeah, here goes the Google page. So this is how I just load my Google page in from my application. Okay, so this is overall thing of WebView. So initially you need to do following steps. You find the WebView from the composite uh, menu. Just go to the composite menu, find the WebView, drag it and drop it, and save this. And come here, declare the WebView, and inflate the WebView. And if you want some settings, add some settings. And if you want to load any URL, you can load the URL right here. And the main thing is permission. So permission is really important because Android completely depends on, if you don't give permission, you will not get this things up. Okay, so the permission is really important for the Android application. And now let us find something else. What I'm going to do is I'm going to showcase some of other things which is present here. So let me take okay, this is fine. First name, and I would like to enter a phone number. Drag it and drop it here. Edit hint, new string, phone, enter phone number. Ouch. Okay. Oh, it was a mistake, so I should go here and change it. Strings.xml, phone. Okay, that's great. So email ID. So why I'm doing this is your Android will respond according to the edit text. So let's see that in a demo. Right click, edit hint. So what can I put? String. Oh God. So once again I did a mistake. So that's fine. So cool, this is my thing. Oh, I forgot to change the manifest. Let's get in here, cut. Okay, it's automatically starting. See, when I click here, I enter the name. So in mobile you'll get a keyboard, so that keyboard will be having an @ symbol for email, and here you'll automatically get the number pad so that to enter your mobile numbers. So all these things happens in Android. So your operating system selects a alternate keyboard for you automatically. So this emulator doesn't provide any keyboard, but still your mobile device can able to do it. Okay, so these are features that has been added with the edit text. Okay, we call this edit text by, I mean, we separate the edit text by using these things. So it's a normal phone thing, and here input type equal to phone, and input type equal to text email address. So these are the things makes sense to the Android, that so will try to enter an email ID here, user will try to enter an mobile number here. So this is how your Android understands uh, what type of edit text it is, and it provides the keyboard automatically. So this is how you need to inflate the things, and all the changes will be reflected in the R file only when you save the resource file. So whatever it may be, your string file, so here you have the strings, or your menus or layouts, whatever it could be, you must save that particular resource. Only then your changes will be reflected in this Java code, because this R file is an intermediate file between your resource and your business logic. So this is how it works, and let's stay tuned. So the next thing we'll see the intents, and two types of intents. Yeah, thank you.